Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update today, and we keep on falling and we keep on falling and falling to the downside. And also today's 20th of December and January private entry is opened up for you to join for 2025. I know where I'm gonna buy next some of my trades, so make sure you're going to be joining in for January. And so far, one of the biggest perks is that, as I've told you in so many videos right now, that we did not have any loss with whatever is happening in the market. And on 4 days ago, we actually switched to USDT, and we never really traded anything after that. And so far, it has worked very, very well for us. Now, things are looking worse. I think we're just starting to take out a lot of stop losses. This was the final hope, by the way. This was 1735, and 1735 has been taken away, and that looks very bad, right? This is so bad, it is not good at all. Even worse, to complement that, is we already have this very bad 3 candles back to back. So 3 candles are known as 3 black crows. Let's actually do candle reading a little bit. Speaking of candle reading, I've actually released one of the video on my strategies on how I trade. By the end of the video, you're gonna get that free playlist for absolutely free. I've actually uploaded one video regarding psychology, but follow the channel for future videos. In 1 or 2 days, I'm gonna upload the next part. But anyways, 3 black crows. And let's check it out here. A lot of you know this. It always happens. It's one of my favorite candles by this time. But the thing is, you can see that learn 3 black crows. What is this candles? What does it mean? So 3 black crows are any 3 red candles back to back. 1, 2, 3 means continuation to the downside. All right, this looks pretty well, right? This image is going to show you the future. 3 black crows, 1, 2, 3. A little bit of a green, maybe 1 or 2 days, and then a huge drop to the downside. I actually think this is the scenario coming up, because that's exactly what you're doing. Isn't this absolutely matching that right over there, right? I'm just showing you proof, nothing else. This is not things that I make or I create, or I'm not here to create any fuzz, but I'm here to create to give you more references regarding Pepe. So we could be looking at a little bit of a very, very small push back up to 1842, and then finally eventually drop to the downside. In some cases, you may actually create a bear flag, which is actually going to be on the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame. So I think personally, I do think that you're going to be creating a sideways bear flag. You might actually do something like this for the next 2 days, and you could do a little bit of that consolidation, and then in the future come down, and then you break, and then you could actually look at a huge drop. And if this happens, then you're going to see 1190 eventually coming up very, very soon in the future. One more thing, I've talked about Bitcoin as well. If I show you Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is absolutely ready, in my opinion, for $85,000. And it has also broken the channel. So what I want to do is go into the 4-hour time frame here, and I want to bring in the 4-hour time frame, and this is going to take in the trend line. So that trend line looks like so, and this is where you're really losing that trend line. Finally, you can see it is picture perfect, a closing below the trend line if you do zoom in there. So yes, there is huge trouble. There is $85,000 coming in, so crypto is going to correct big time. And I'm enjoying this, right? I'm enjoying this because I'm on USDT for the previous few days. My private members are on USDT for some time. So basically, you can be a part of it for next year, January. You can deposit right now and get into it. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is. Hey, if you guys want to stop losing like this and actually start to win like this, I've already created a playlist for you guys to learn how to trade. So give me some few time of yours out of your life and check this playlist right over here, and you can learn my secret that has always won me a lot of trade whenever I need to win that for absolutely free. Check it out.